How to change tint and app color on iOS 18. In this video, I will show you how you can customize tint and app color on iPhone with iOS 18. Apple has officially released iOS 18. So update your iPhone to iOS 18 and you can change tint and app icon colors. First, long press on the empty area on iPhone screen, and all the app icons will start to jiggle. Now tap Edit option at the top left side. Now from the available options, tap Customize. You can now access 4 different customization options including dark and light modes. By default, light mode is active. Now when you tap dark option, this will enable dark mode for app icons, which can automatically sync with iPhone's dark mode settings, changing the app icon's appearance. You can select the tinted option to access sliders that allow real-time color changes for app icons, choosing from various color options like green, red, and yellow. As you can see, when I am changing the slider colors, the app icon colors are also getting changed. You can even use color dropper to select the color from your iPhone background. Once the color is selected, tap the screen to save the changes. Now if you want to revert back to the original app icon colors, then again long press on the empty area on the screen, tap on Edit, tap Customize, and then tap on Light Mode. And this will change the app icon colors to original one. So that is how you can change tint and app icon colors on iOS 18. If you find the video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.